It's another sunny Southern California morning here, Ventura, California. No peeing in your wetsuit. That's pollution. No GoPros. We're all going pro, but no GoPros. GoPro without a GoPro. Yo. See, ultralite. As you can see, it's got some like shoulder pads, back pads. That's another thing about California is there's an unwritten rule that you can't be different. You can't look different. You can't do anything different. If you do anything different, you'll be ostracized by the boys.